Hi guys, wherever in the world you are, I hope you are doing better than well and wearing the day with a smile. And if you've been having a sucky day so far, I hope you give yourself some grace and just breathe. Take it slow and do what you need to in order to get back on track. I know you can do it. Today, we're doing just that. Starting off with just some tender loving care. We're gonna start the self-care routine with skincare, because whenever I wake up in the mornings, I just love to immerse myself in taking care of my skin and then getting a shower, and I realize that really helps. So we're gonna do a mud mask, and then we're gonna go and make my bed to get in the right frame of mind. Then once the mud mask is dry, I continue with my regimen. Us girlies, and of course the kings who do these things in the mornings, really have to do the most to keep up with our glowing skin, and it does so much for our mood, where we just take the time to relax. How many times can you say you've actually relaxed for the month, even weekly? Have you relaxed at any point today? I know some persons like to do their skincare regimen after they bathe, but I actually do it before. Don't come for me, it's just something that I like to do before I bathe, and I can just take my time getting a nice hot shower, making sure that my skin is moisturized, and then get ready for the day. Now you're getting the body right, because no skincare or body care regimen in the world is complete without some body TLC. They work in harmony, not to mention fuel the body and fuel the mind, because on an empty stomach, I know I am personally a miserable Jane. So I just decided to make breakfast, especially when I feel like I'm going to be doing some work in the days, so it helps me just be less miserable. So I'm just gonna take some juice out of the fridge and watch some TV, because like I said, today is a lazy day. And then in true workaholic fashion, even on a weekend away, I had to get some work done. And for this session, I am taking the time out to respond to YouTube comments and do some editing, because you guys truly keep me going. after, I did a quick supermarket run, and then I just spent the rest of the day lazing around. Like I said, this weekend was very heavy on the soft girl life, the lazy life, the cozy fall routine, and the self-care regimen, because we are going to give ourselves a time of day to just rest and relax, and to make sure that we are feeling optimal, at our best, and we have time to just breathe, because it gets really overwhelming. I know personally it gets really overwhelming in the weekdays when you put your 150% in and you just feel drained. So I think that these days, these weekends, these hours, or these times away from just doing, you don't have to do all the time. So I just wanted to tell you guys that if you want a sign, this is your reminder.